Hey, Grant here. We've got a Ring battery doorbell. And I get the battery doorbell because you don't have to worry about hooking wires, running wires from all over the house to get it to work. And these things work really good. Okay, this is a neat little box here. Let's just see. This, of course, is going to be the mount. This is the Ring unit itself. And of course, this is a charging cord. And this is a little tool that'll helps you take the cover off when you need to change the battery. And this is pretty much what it comes with. And are the screws that I didn't mention when I took them out a second ago. Just everything, all in one. So all I did on this was just mark where I wanted this to go on my door. Now this is metal at my place, so I had to pre-drill some holes so the screws would go in okay. But then you just mark your holes and make a drill. If you've got wood, then you don't have to worry about pre-drilling. You got little screws here and you just screw them in where they go. And that's all there is to mounting it. Very simple. So now all you're going to do is you get the two holes in the back at the top and one at the bottom. You get the two notches here and one at the bottom. You just turn it around, kind of put it at an angle, hook it in and just snap it in. And there you have it, it's ready to go. And whenever you need to charge it, you've got this little tool here, showed you before, and then just slip it in underneath here in a little notch. And just push down, and it swings it off. So that's it for our Ring battery doorbell. And in between me snapping that on, you've just got an app that you download and it'll walk you all the way through getting it hooked up to your Wi-Fi at your house. Once that's done, take it out, snap it down like I showed you, and your Ring doorbell is ready to go and you can monitor on your phone. So I hope this helps. Hope to see you again.